Freedom Gospel Ministry video, and this is my back garden, and in there is a number of pigeons that are feeding. It's most interesting to observe the process and how they determine whose territory it is. My back garden, but the dominant male, I presume, might even be the female, but I think it's the male who monitors. It's not necessarily because he wants to eat, but he just determined that he can move from different food store to show that he's in control. And it's the same thing with God. It's amazing that they perhaps wake up this morning and did not know how they're going to survive, but yet God take care of them. The fact that they can come and eat. Now, when the food was first placed there, none of them was around. But one discovered it, and somehow they're able to communicate to the others that there's a place that they can come and find food. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. They're eating to their heart's content. Fascinating. That's why you can understand why God says, take no thought for tomorrow, what you shall eat, or what you shall drink. Because as He takes care of the bird